Welcome to 6-Point Driving School in Cardiff. Learning to drive, looking for reliable instructor near you with the best driving schools in Cardiff, including those offering manual and automatic cars and intensive driving courses. Then 6-Point is the right choice for you. We offer professional and fun learning that is designed around you. This will ensure that you benefit from every lesson behind the wheel. Our aim is to teach you to drive confidently, safely and at your pace. Our highly DVSA qualified driving instructor are familiar with local exam routes, but they will also teach you how to safely navigate the more urban areas and busier roads along with more rural driving in the surrounding countryside. We offer a range of packages from hourly lessons to block booking and student discounts. Just choose from one of the packages. We also cover Brecon, Black Mountains, Monmouth, Tredegar, Aberdare, Rhymney, Mountain Ash, Rhondda, Ferndale, Caerphilly, Newport, Wye Valley, Barry, Cowbridge, Bridgend, Porthcawl, Maesteg, Cwmbran, Caldicot, Usk, Pontypool, Merthyr Tydfil. We offer fast pass driving courses, first class 1-to-1 driving lessons, consistently 35 higher first-time pass rates, patient, relaxed and friendly driver training, fantastic hourly rates and beginner offers. Pick up from work, college or home. Training to become a driver instructor.